You ready?
Harbor seal?
Oh, yeah, harbor seal. I don't know where the hell. It's over there.
There's two of them.
No way. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready, spaghetti? You're basically ready. I'm gonna go over there. There's a little boat underwater. And then over there it's deep. Over here it's just a wall that goes around. So yeah, let's get to it. A little harsh on the feet.
Shoes like that.
Yeah.
Are you still recording?
Little bit of spit, mask. Oh, buddy, that water is cold.
Uh-oh. Oh, what have I gotten myself into this time?
Might be a little frio. A little frio.
Frio. You ever been in a Frio Rio?
Oh shit! Oh yeah! Oh damn! Oh shit! Once the water gets in the boots, my guy, it's game over. It's game over for you instantly. Yeah. Luck maxing. There was a seal over there earlier, popping his head around. I don't know, maybe he'll be friendly, maybe he won't be friendly, I don't know. Where? Over there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
See a shiny head. Looks like Kirill.
Yeah, it looks like Kirill. Facts. Facts. Alright, I'm gonna start recording in the water because I gotta get the show on the road.